weeks of waiting, shipping drama, and tracking packages more than I'd like to admit, everything is finally here. And honestly, I don't even know where to start because this is the biggest beauty haul I've ever done. Actually, this is the only beauty haul I've ever done. We're opening everything today, getting some first impressions, doing some swatches, and seeing if I made good decisions. Because future me is definitely gonna act like my card statement doesn't exist. So I picked up the Rhode kit and I picked up the Glow kit. These bags are so aesthetically pleasing. Look at them. I can't wait to use these for stuff. Let's start with the Glow kit since it's newer. So we have the mini bubble bag and all of its little skincare babies in here. Let's see what we've got. I originally fell in love with Rhode because of the lip treatments and lip tints, and somehow that turned into me getting almost the entire skincare line. Inside is the barrier butter that everybody with dry skin keeps talking about, and the glazing milk, which I did have a sample of at one point, and I actually loved it. I still don't understand why I didn't buy the full size. Don't judge me. And the glazing mist, which everybody praises. Now for what I think is the OG Rhode kit. This bag is a bit bigger, but she's still tea. These are the contents. Some of you may already know, but I'm going to show you anyway. Inside is the pineapple refresh, the glazing milk. Yes, I know it's a repeat, but now I have a full size and a travel size. The peptid glazing fluid and the barrier restore cream. Now for what I've probably been the most excited about. Look, the highlight milk. Listen, don't ask me why I got all four. Just know that I have all four. I've seen people swear these completely change your makeup, and I've also seen people say they can't tell a difference. So I'm not sure if it's the product or the camera, but it looks as if it's giving nothing. But I will be testing these in camera lighting as well as outside. I've just been trying to give the product some grace and assume that maybe the sun and natural lighting will probably let her do her job. I've also been wanting to try their lip contour, and I'm praying this is the right shade. We'll figure it out. Speaking of Fenty, this is the Fenty Waterboy Leave-In Conditioner. I was using a conditioner from another brand, but she is sold out and I already love Fenty. I recently switched over to Fenty shampoo, conditioner, and jelly hold, and when I tell you I fell in love after one wash, this is my holy grail for my locks now. Let's pray Waterboy is added to that list because I paid about $35, so she better condition like no conditioner has ever conditioned before. She does smell nice though. Hold on. Let me go put some in my hair right now. Okay, now let's see if TikTok has been lying. This is the e.l.f. Camo Color Corrector in the shade blue, and wow, they meant blue. I've been seeing people use this to counteract the orange tone in foundations. Something about the color theory, blue is across from orange on the color wheel, so this should cancel out the orange tone. I do have a foundation I was pulling orange, so we're definitely testing this. Now, I may have brought two concealers. To be fair, I didn't know what shade to get, and they were buy one, get one. These are the Tarte Shape Tape Creamy Concealers. I got one in 53N and the other in 53S. Don't judge me because finding shades online is hard and I'm relatively new to makeup. Online shade matching should honestly be illegal. And last but not least, I literally know nothing of this brand to be honest. It was added to my cart by accident. Now comes the fun part, actually trying everything. I have a feeling some of these are about to become new favorites. And that's pretty much it for this video. So if there's something that you want me to review first, let me know because we've got a lot to test.